Have you ever wondered how ChatGPT seems to understand you? Like, you type a question and boom, it responds like a human, answers your thoughts, even jokes with you. But here's the twist, it has no idea what you're saying. Yep, not a clue. So how does it actually work? In today's video, we're diving deep into what makes ChatGPT tick. And by the end of this video, you'll understand AI like never before. And why using tools like ChatGPT isn't just smart, it's your next competitive edge. Let's pull back the curtain on the machine that's changing everything. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're into AI, tech tools, and unlocking your productivity potential, you're in the right place. Today we're tackling a question most people are curious about but few actually understand. How does ChatGPT really work? We're talking about the behind-the-scenes mechanics of artificial intelligence in plain English. No PhDs required, no boring lectures, just you, me, and some mind-blowing AI magic. Let's get started. Okay, so first things first, ChatGPT is not alive. It doesn't think, it doesn't feel, it doesn't dream about electric sheep, okay? It's a machine, a crazy sophisticated one, but still, a machine built on math, data, and patterns. Imagine this, you're playing a game of sentence completion. I say once upon a, you probably think, time. Why? Because you've seen that sentence pattern hundreds of times. That's exactly what ChatGPT does, but on steroids. Trained on billions of examples, it tries to guess what word should come next, based on what you wrote and what it learned from the internet, books, articles, code, everything. So when you ask it something like, what's the capital of France? It doesn't know the answer. It just recognizes that the word France is usually followed by is Paris in the data it saw during training. It's pattern recognition, not intelligence. So let's break this down. ChatGPT is what's called a language model, specifically a large language model or LLM. The current version you're likely using, like ChatGPT-4, is based on OpenAI's GPT-4 architecture. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Let's decode that. Generative. It generates content. Words, code, ideas, stories, you name it. Pre-trained. It's trained ahead of time on massive datasets. Transformer. That's the deep learning architecture powering it. More on this in a sec. So, think of ChatGPT as the world's most intense autocomplete. But instead of just guessing a word or two, it can complete entire essays, poems, business plans, and more, flawlessly. So how did ChatGPT get this smart? Let's go back to how it's trained. There are two main phases. 1. Pre-training. This is like boot camp for the AI. The model is fed a massive amount of text data. We're talking books, websites, Wikipedia, Reddit threads, forum posts, code repositories, billions and billions of words. It learns by predicting the next word in a sentence. Literally, that's the whole training game. For example, input. The Eiffel Tower is located in. The model tries Paris. If it's right, it gets a gold star. Okay, not literally, but it updates its inner math to reinforce that pattern. If it's wrong, it adjusts its internal weights to get closer next time. It does this trillions of times until it becomes really good at predicting what comes next. This step doesn't give it knowledge, it gives it language fluency, the ability to form sentences that sound natural. 2. Fine-tuning. Once it knows how to speak, it goes to finishing school. This stage uses human feedback and more focused datasets. Trainers prompt the model, see how it responds, and then give it a thumbs up or down. This is what helps it become useful, not just fluent. So now when you ask, how do I start a YouTube channel? Instead of giving random internet nonsense, it gives you a structured, helpful, and polite answer, because it was trained to sound like that. Now what's this transformer thing? This is the real breakthrough that made ChatGPT possible. Before Transformers, AI struggled with context. If a sentence said, George was hungry, he walked to the kitchen. Most models didn't know who he referred to. Transformers do. That's what makes them powerful. They pay attention to all the words in a sentence, and even multiple sentences before it, to figure out what matters. So when you write a long prompt, ChatGPT isn't just reading the last sentence. It's scanning everything, assigning importance to certain parts, and building its answer accordingly. This is called the attention mechanism, and it's genius. This is where people get tricked. ChatGPT sounds human. It jokes, it empathizes, it writes poetry. But don't be fooled, it has zero consciousness. It doesn't know you. It doesn't remember your emotions, unless you use memory features. It's not thinking, what would make this person smile? It's doing one thing, guessing what comes next. But here's the wild part. Because it was trained on human content, written by real people with emotions, opinions, and creativity, it reflects those things. It's like a really good actor. It plays the part, but it's still reading lines. Now that you understand how ChatGPT works, here's the real question. How do you use this power in your everyday life or business? Because let me tell you, this isn't just a novelty, it's a game changer. 1. Boost your productivity. Need a cold email? Done. Stuck on a blog intro? Solved. Can't organize your to-do list? Easy. ChatGPT can become your personal assistant and you don't even have to pay it overtime. 2. Level up your content game. Writers, creators, students, marketers, this is your goldmine. Outline YouTube videos, write Instagram captions, craft killer product descriptions. This isn't cheating, it's scaling your creativity. 3. Learn anything anytime struggling with a concept. Ask ChatGPT to explain it like you're 5 years old, or like a college professor, or with memes. You control how it talks to you. It's the ultimate tutor on demand. 4. Automate business tasks. From writing SOPs to generating code snippets, ChatGPT can save hours of boring work every week. And with plugins and third-party integrations, oh man, we're talking full workflow automation. You can even have it write Python scripts, connect to Zapier, analyze spreadsheets, you name it. Okay, now for some real talk. ChatGPT is amazing, but it's not perfect. 1. It makes stuff up. Sometimes, ChatGPT gives wrong answers with total confidence. This is called hallucination. It's like a super convincing liar. So always fact check, especially for important stuff. 2. It has a knowledge cutoff. If you're using the free version, it might not know about recent events. Want the latest info? Use ChatGPT Plus or tools that plug it into the internet like web browsing mode or Perplexity AI. 3. It can be biased because it was trained on human content. It can reflect human bias. That's why OpenAI constantly updates and improves it, so it stays balanced and fair. Now here's the wildest part. What we're seeing with ChatGPT is just version 1 of the future. Future models will have real-time memory, integrate with your email, calendar, files, speak and see like humans, become your thinking partner, not just your assistant. We're not far from AI co-pilots helping us live, work, and create in totally new ways. And guess what? You don't need to be a tech genius to take advantage of this. You just need to start. Use ChatGPT, play with it, ask it questions, give it tasks. The people who embrace it now, they're going to be light years ahead in every industry. So here's your action step today. If you haven't already, create a ChatGPT account, explore tools like ChatGPT Plus, or integrate it with Notion, Gmail, Zapier. Start small. Ask it to write your next email, outline your next YouTube video, or explain a complex topic. Just start using it. Because the sooner you do, the faster you'll unlock productivity you didn't even know you were capable of. And if you want a full guide on how to master ChatGPT for your business, content creation, or daily life, hit that subscribe button because we've got a full playlist coming up. Alright folks, that's the inside scoop on how ChatGPT really works. From massive datasets to mind-blowing pattern recognition, this tool is changing the game. But here's the thing, tools don't make you smart, using them does. So if you found value in this video, smash that like button, drop a comment telling me your favorite ChatGPT use case, and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of powerful tech. Until next time, stay curious, stay creative, and let AI help you do more than ever before. Peace.